Hello dear friends, I am Rahul Gawande. Dear friends, in last video we studied formula method. By formula method, we know the roots of equation are x is equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Now, by this formula, we get roots of quadratic equation. Which equation? Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. These are the roots of this quadratic equation. Right? Now, in this video, we are going to study about nature of roots. Nature of roots of quadratic equation. Now, how to find nature of roots? There are three main conditions by which we can write the nature of roots of that quadratic equation. Now, you know that here a is coefficient of x square, b is coefficient of x and c is constant number. And here you see here square root of b square minus 4ac, that is the value. Now here first condition is that if this value without root, if b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, if we get this value b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then we can write then the roots of equation are real and equal. Remember that, it is very important. If we get b square minus 4ac, this value is equal to 0, then 0 is real and equal to 0. This is equal to 0. That's why roots are real and equal. You remember this point, this and this. If b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then nature, this is the nature, it is the nature. Then the roots of equation are real and equal. It is the nature of root. Okay, first. Second condition, if we get b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. Greater than 0 means positive integer. 1, 2, 3, 4 or 1.5, 2.5, but greater than 0. If b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, then the roots of equation are greater than 0 means real, are real, but it is not equal to 0. That's why unequal. Okay, see, real and unequal. Why real? Because greater than 0. Greater than 0 means 1, 2, 3, 4. These are all real numbers. That's why real. And it is not equal to 0. That's why unequal. Okay, second point. Third, if b square minus 4ac we get less than 0. Less than 0 here. b square minus 4ac we get less than 0 means negative integer. Then the roots of equation are not real. Not real. Negative, no? Negative. Negative number. Less than 0 means negative. And negative nature is not real. Or the roots of equation are not real. Now you remember 3 points about the nature. If b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, if you get here 0, then roots of equation are real and equal. If you get here positive number, b square minus 4ac positive number, then the roots of equation are real and unequal. And if you get b square minus 4ac less than 0 means negative integer, then roots of equation are not real. That is the nature of quadratic equation. Dear friends, now from practice set 2.5, question number 2 is based on this point. Here question is find the value of discriminant. Now what is discriminant? Value of discriminant means b square minus 4ac. This value is called value of discriminant, and it is shown by, it is determined by delta sign. It is delta, Greek word, that is Greek letter delta. Delta is equal to b square minus 4ac, and this b square minus 4ac is called value of discriminant. Okay, that is not different. We have to find this value. For that we need ABC values. Okay, and as in formula we learnt, we studied in formula how do we find ABC values? By comparing with standard form. Compare given equation with standard form, we get ABC, and after that find this value. Finish. It is very easy. Now compare this. Comparing this given equation, x square plus 7x minus 1 is equal to 0 with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, we get a is equal to 1, b is equal to 7, c is equal to minus 1. Okay, you know that. And now find value of discriminant, means delta value, b square minus 4ac. Therefore I write here b square minus 4ac is equal to, this is the value of discriminant, put values here. B square, what is b? 7 bracket square, minus 4 multiplied by a is 1 multiplied by c is minus 1, write in bracket, is equal to 7 square 49, here minus into minus plus 4 1s are 4, and addition is now 53. Over, finished. And this is the value of discriminant. At last write down. Therefore the value of discriminant is 53. Example number 2. Now you can solve. Comparing this given equation, 2y square minus 5y plus 10 is equal to 0 with standard form is ay square plus by plus c is equal to 0. We get a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 5, c is equal to 10. Okay, and therefore b square minus 4ac is equal to, put values here. B value minus 5 bracket square minus 4 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 10, minus 5 square is 25 minus 10 to the 20, 24s are 80. Subtraction is now here minus, higher value sign minus, and subtraction is how much? 55. Right, negative value we got. Therefore the value of discriminant is minus 55. Example number 3. Find the value of discriminant, means b square minus 4ac. Comparing square root of x square plus 4x plus 2 root 2 is equal to 0 with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, we get a is equal to root 2, b is equal to 4, c is equal to 2 root 2. Okay, now we want value of discriminant. Value of discriminant means b square minus 4ac, b square minus 4ac, b value 4 bracket square minus 4 multiplied by square root of 2 multiplied by c value is 2 root 2 is equal to 4 square 16, here minus, now here product of these 3 numbers. Okay, here you see, now see very carefully, root 2 into root 2, 2 2 2s are 4, 4 4s are 16, and here we get 0. Therefore the value of discriminant is 0. That is value of discriminant only. Dear friends, question number 3 is now determine the nature of the roots. We have to write nature of the roots now. And as I told you that if you get delta is equal to 0, delta means b square minus 4ac, if you get delta is equal to 0, roots of equation are real and equal. You remember that. Remember these points. If you get delta greater than 0, then roots of equation are real and unequal. Remember this point. And if you get delta less than 0, then roots of equation are not real. These 3 points you remember. Now let's see this example. Delta means what? Same value of discriminant, delta b square minus 4ac, and same method as we solved previous question. Same method we have to follow, but last answer we have to change. Comparing x square minus 4x plus 4 is equal to 0 with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, we get a is equal to 1. See here, coefficient of x square, b coefficient of x minus 4, and c constant 4. Now write down here, therefore delta is equal to b square minus 4ac. You see, it is value of discriminant. Okay, that is not any different value. Now put value here, b value minus 4 bracket square minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 4. Minus 4 square is 16 minus 4 4s are 16 is equal to 0. Now we got delta is equal to 0, right? And you know now, if delta is equal to 0, it is the nature. The roots of equation are, therefore we have to write nature at last. Therefore the roots of equation are real and equal. Why its nature is real and equal? Because we got value of discriminant 0. Second example, same method, nature we want. Comparing given equation is 2y square minus 7y plus 2 is equal to 0 with, now here standard form also in y variable, ay square plus by plus c is equal to 0, we get a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 7, c is equal to 2. See, a, b, c. Therefore delta is equal to b square minus 4ac is equal to b value. What is b value? We got here minus 7. Minus 7 bracket square minus 4 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. Minus 7 square 49 minus 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. What is subtraction here now? 33. Delta value we got 33, right? And it is greater than 0. I write here greater than 0, means delta is greater than 0. If delta is greater than 0, what is the nature? Real and unequal. Therefore at last write nature. The roots of, it is the nature of roots, no? That's why we are writing roots of equation are real and unequal. It is positive, that's why it is real, but not equal to 0. Therefore we wrote there unequal. Therefore roots are real and unequal. Example number third question. Comparing given equation is m square plus 2m plus 9 is equal to 0 with am square plus bm plus c is equal to 0, we get a is equal to, a is coefficient of m square 1, b is coefficient of m 2, c is constant 9. Therefore find delta value. Delta is equal to b square minus 4ac. Now put value. B value is 2 bracket square minus 4 multiplied by a value 1 into c value 9. 4 minus 9 4s are 36, and we get here minus bigger value sign 32. Delta value we got minus 32. Minus 32 is less than 0, means delta is less than 0, and if delta is less than 0, roots are not real. That is the nature. Therefore last statement, the roots of equation the roots of equation are not real. In this way we can determine nature of the roots of equation. Friends, now from this practice set, question number 7th is of this type, on basis of nature. Okay, now here what is question? Question is little different. The roots of each of the following quadratic equations are real and equal. Already nature is given. Nature of this equation is real and equal, and we have to find k. K is coefficient of y. Okay, already real and equal. Roots are real and equal. Now what to do? Find ABC values first. Comparing 3y square plus ky plus 12 is equal to 0 with ay square plus by plus c is equal to 0, we get a is equal to 3, b is equal to k here, and c value is 12. Therefore, now delta is equal to b square minus 4ac. Find delta value. Delta is equal to b value is k square minus 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 12 here. Delta is equal to k square minus, now here product, 4 3s are 12, 12 into 12, 144. It is the value of delta. Okay, here 0, here value, we did not get value here. Delta is equal to k square minus 144. But what is the nature given here? Nature is roots are real and equal. If we will write here now, but the roots of given equation are real and equal. And now you know that when do we say roots are real and equal? By the value of delta, if delta is equal to 0. Correct? You know that. Here we wrote if delta is equal to 0, then roots are real and equal. But here it is already given that roots are real and equal. Therefore we can write delta is equal to 0. We have to take delta is equal to 0. Why? Because roots are real and equal. Okay? And now as delta is equal to 0, put this value of delta here now. K square minus 144 is equal to 0. Now it is quadratic. There are two terms, means binomial, and if there are two terms, then we take common if possible. If we cannot take common, then difference formula, a square minus b square formula. What is formula? A square minus b square is equal to a plus b, a minus b. These are two factors. But for that, write both in square root form. Square root of k square, k, bracket square. Square root of 144, 12, bracket square is equal to 0. Now we got this in this form, a square minus b square. And now write their factors. In first bracket k plus 12, second bracket k minus 12 is equal to 0. And by solving, we get value of k, means two values we get because it is quadratic. Therefore k plus 12 is equal to 0 or k minus 12 is equal to 0. Last step, k is equal to minus 12 first value or k is equal to 12 second value. In this way we got two values of k. Second example of this question, comparing. Before comparing, we have to convert this into standard form, right? Therefore, before comparing, write this as kx in bracket k minus 2 plus 6 is equal to 0. Write this, convert this into standard form, multiply by kx. Kx square minus 2kx plus 6 is equal to 0. Now it is in standard form here, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Compare this. Comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, we get a is equal to k, see, coefficient of x square, b is equal to coefficient of x with sign minus 2k, and c is equal to 6. Okay, delta value. Delta is equal to b square minus 4ac. What is b value? Minus 2k bracket square minus 4 multiplied by k multiplied by 6. Minus 2k brackets, what is there? 4k square. Square is always positive. Minus 24k. Okay, it is the value of delta. We will not get value here. Value we have to find of k. Delta is equal to 0. Again condition is this. But the roots of equation are real and equal. Real and equal. If roots are real and equal, delta is equal to 0. We know here, and therefore we can write here, therefore delta is equal to 0, because roots are real and equal. Delta is equal to 0, put value of delta here, 4k square minus 24k is equal to 0. Okay. Now again quadratic, binomial, common out. If not common out, difference formula. Can we take common? 424, 4 common. From k square and k common in bracket. If from 4k square 4k is out, k is in bracket, minus 4 6 are 24, k is outside, is equal to 0. And now separate. 4k is equal to 0 or k minus 6 is equal to 0. Last step, k is equal to 0 by 4, 0, first value, or k minus 4 is equal to, here k is equal to 6. In this way we got two values of k, 0 and 6.